What do you got for Ethereum, Army?
So I've been watching it a lot lately, especially with the meme coins, because the meme coins, they're all built on Ethereum, right? Well,
Yep.
majority of them are. And I mean, if you take a look here, I'm going to jump over to a chart here. It's negative 4.44% is what we've been running for the past hour. And if we take a look here on the daily, it's still running, greater than 3% deflationary rate. So the meme coins, at the very least, fantastic for my ETH bag. But if you take a look at the charts here and jump in on this, you'll see here on Ethereum that a couple of things that I got going here. One is we did get a breakdown. I'm gonna pull this up on the 4 hour here, and I'm gonna turn off chart patterns. There we go. We got a breakdown on the 4 hour here, and these are called predictive ranges here. You can see that we were back here above the upper trade band. This is normally where all price action occurs at 70% of the price action. And once we broke it here, it's just been trading in this range. So I went ahead and I threw up a mid fib here. And if I go ahead and turn off smart money concepts, you'll see it's falling in the platinum pocket. If you guys are wondering where these dates are coming from for these levels, it's going to the high that we had back in August of 2022, all the way to the very bottom of each run here after that. So we've been in this platinum pocket now for a long time. We were in it all the way going back into April, early April here. We did break above it, broke the 1-to-1, was trading up there in that area, which fell on the above that upper trade band of the predictive ranges there on the smart money concepts, and then back down in. And that's literally where we are right now, even with this pullback. And what I've been putting out to our viewers over at Investing Bros constantly is just watch this 786 right here at 1825. As long as we don't open and close a candle below this, then we should be okay. And as of right now, even with the pullbacks that we've gotten, we had four of them here back in 25th of April. We had another one on the 26th, another one on the 1st of May, and just now, literally like in the past 30 minutes, we wicked down below this and pulled right back up into it. So I'm watching that one. I'm not overly concerned with how ETH is playing out, especially when I look at the 12-hour here on Ethereum. When I bring this in, there's a trend line that printed off of the market oracle here of Chart Prime, and this is our dynamic reactor. And every time that we've touched it, we've gotten a nice clean bounce. And even right now, that big wick down that we had there, it still went to the bottom of the dynamic reactor and is respecting all of the support that we have across the 786 in confluence with our trend line here, and also in confluence with the dynamic reactor. So it does look like the oscillator in MACD is coming down a little bit right here. But the cloud, it's coming to the end of it. And you'll notice when our ribbons on our oscillator gets towards the end of a cloud, it tends to bounce. So I'm going to be watching for it to do a little bouncing action somewhere right here between 1815 to where it's currently at 1830, and that this ribbon will start to pop back up. So yeah, especially if the memes pop off, because we're getting these lower lows, which I know we're going to go over some of those here in a few. So if some of these memes get back into pumping because these lows are coming in now and people start to grab them up real fast, that's going to turn around and it's going to pump this Ethereum back up. So I'm not overly concerned with what ETH is doing right now. So